A little bit of taper turning. Take it a little more. Just trying to get to the center. And then we'll set up and come the other direction. This should be the final pass for this side. We're getting close. We're doing a shear cut. It's giving a much better finish. So we're going to go with that. This might be the final pass. We'll see here. This is going to be a flat belt drive pulley. It's going on electric motor to run a flat belt. The existing one he has isn't wide enough. He wants to run a little wider belt. This one's probably a little wider than necessary, but you can always cut it down if need be. I think we're going to call this good. We'll just hit it with some paper. The shear tool definitely did a better job this side versus this side, but it's just a flat belt pulley, so we'll just a little bit of emery and it should be just fine. Okay, hit it with a little bit of paper and a file. Rounded the ends off a little bit. There you go. So this is the setup. When he doesn't want to run the hit and miss engine, he can run stuff off this electric motor for testing and so forth. Yeah, I think that's going to work.